Hi, my name's Connor, and thanks for looking at Monmouth College. I'm a sophomore behavioral neuroscience major. I'm in SIGEP, which is a fraternity here on campus. And right now I'm on my way to the library so I can print off a copy of my rough draft. So I have my Global Perspectives class today at 11, and then after that I have my Drugs and Behavior class. I have an exam, so that's going to be very exciting. You can watch me fail in real time. It'll be fun. Time for Einsteins. Hi, can I get a blended caramel high-rise regular?
Come to Monmouth and come get some coffee.
I was just looking for my phone, but it's in my hand. It was in my hand the whole time. That's embarrassing. Oh, that's good. I needed that. Good morning. Alright, I am about to enter the building that my class is in. It's Wallace Hall. Hi, Clarence. This is Clarence.
Hi, how you doing?
He's the president.
Good to see everybody. So whoever sees this video, if you're not already coming to Monmouth, you should come to Monmouth.
Come to Monmouth.
You should come to Monmouth.
Thanks, Clarence.
Okay, see you guys.
Have a good day. Okay, so I'm gonna cram a little bit for my drugs exam. I'll see you probably in a few minutes. So now I am on my way to my next class, which is Drugs and Behavior in the CSB. So I just finished my exam. It went pretty well. And now I'm gonna go get some lunch. Thank you. This is Kenzie.
Hey, this is Denzel. Hey, don't take my word for it that Monmouth College is great. Come down and come here and see it for yourself.
That's a good message. Thanks, Denzel. Bye.
Bye.
I have a really long Oliver rehearsal tonight. Oliver's the musical I'm doing. So you'll get to see behind the scenes of that, and it'll be fun. All right, now I'm back in my room, and I'm probably gonna clean because it is a wreck. So now I am heading to the Wells Theater. So I just got to the theater. Now I'm gonna go up all the way to the top. This is Amanda and Amelia.
Hello.
Hi.
I love them.
Oh.
They're in Oliver. This is Nancy.
Hello.
And this is Mrs. Sourberry. Oh, they're amazing. It is so nice outside. I am loving it. Alright, I just got to chamber choir, so I'm gonna go inside.
I'll just I was actually on Joey's head.
Roll Skies. Alright, I'm now in the theater for my Oliver rehearsal, and now I have to be quiet. So I am done with musical rehearsal and I'm back in my room. So that is the end of my day. So thanks for watching a day in my life, and roll Scots.